next class, and today we'll do the other side of zero integers. So the concept we are going to cover in this chapters are uses of integer, representation of integer on number line, absolute value of an integer, and addition and subtraction of integers. In winter season, the temperature of hill station goes below 0 degree Celsius. जो हिल स्टेशन होते हैं वहाँ पे बहुत ठंडा हो जाता है. विंटर्स में जो टेम्परेचर है 0 डिग्री से नीचे चला जाता है, तो उसको हम रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं माइनस में, लाइक -10 degree Celsius, -8 degree Celsius. What are -10 and -8? These are called integers. Integers are used in daily life situations such as height above the sea level to represent the positive integer. अगर डेप्थ को शो करें तो हम नेगेटिव इंटीजर से शो करेंगे. An aeroplane is flying in the height of 10,000 meter above the sea level. That means plus. So हम शो करेंगे अगर above है. And submarine is floating at the depth of 8,000 below the sea level. For that we will show by minus. Some situations daily life. Rise in the price is denoted by positive sign and fall in the price denoted by negative sign. Profit is denoted by positive sign and loss को हम negative sign से denote करेंगे. Rise in temperature is denoted by positive sign and fall in temperature by negative sign. So -5, -4, -3, -2, -1 they are called negative integer, whereas 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ये कहलाएंगे positive integer. So the collection of negative numbers, positive integer and 0, they are called integers. 0 is a neutral number, so it's neither positive nor negative. 0 ना तो positive होता है ना ही negative. 0 is called a neutral number because there is no effect on the result when it is added to a number or subtracted from a number. 1 is the smallest positive number and -1 is the largest negative integer. Example लेते हैं. Represent each of the following statement with the integer. A loss of rupees 1065. Loss को हम negative integer से show करेंगे. So loss of rupees 1065, that is equals to minus rupees 1065. Next is representation of integer on the number line. Integers को हम number line पे कैसे represent करेंगे? It is easier and more convenient to understand the position of negative and positive integer on the number line. So this is a number line. Draw a number line. You will mark a point O जहाँ पे आप 0 मार्क करेंगे. On the right side of that you will mark all the positive numbers and left hand side पे all the negative numbers. So draw a straight line, fix the point O in it, mark 0. On the right hand side of 0 mark the positive integer and left hand side 0 mark the negative integer. All the integers should be marked on equal distance. Learning tips. Every integer on the right side of number line is greater than the integer on left side. जितने भी राइट साइड पे होंगे वो लेफ्ट साइड वाला इंटीजर से ग्रेटर होंगे. 8 इज ग्रेटर देन 6 बिकॉज 8 इज ऑन द राइट साइड ऑफ 6. 5 is greater than -6 because 5 is on the right side of -6. 0 is less than every positive integer since 0 is on the left side of positive integer. 0 is greater than every negative integer since 0 is right side of negative integer. जितने भी negative integer है उनके right side पे 0, so वो उनसे greater होगा. Every positive integer is greater than every negative integer since positive integer is on the right side of negative integer. So 5 will be greater than -6, 10 will be greater than -1. If one number is greater than other number, then opposite sign of this number will be lesser than the other number. Like 7 is greater than 4, but -7 will be less than -4. Clear? Since 7 is on the right side of 4, but -7 is on the left side of -4. If a and b are two integers such that a is greater than b, then -a will be less than -b. Similarly, if a is less than b, then -a will be greater than -b. Example लेते हैं. Using the number line, find the integer which is 3 more than 7. 3 more than 7. So हम number line पे देखेंगे. This is 7. 3 more than means we have to jump 3 steps forward. So that is equals to 10. Clear? So you have to practice all the example. Next is absolute value of integer. The absolute value of an integer is the numerical value regardless of sign. Only numerical value को consider करेंगे, हम sign को consider नहीं करेंगे. It is also known as the modulus of the integer. It is denoted by, this is the sign of absolute value. For example, absolute value of 15 is 15 minus 6 is 6. Absolute value of any integer is either 0 or positive, never negative. Example लेते हैं. Evaluate the following. 26 एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू ऑफ 26 दैट इज इक्वल टू 26 माइनस का साइन आ जाएगा एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू ऑफ 12 माइनस 12 इज 12 सो दैट इज इक्वल टू 14 क्लियर। सो इस तरीके से हम जो है वैल्यू फाइंड आउट कर लेंगे। नेक्स्ट इवोल्यूशन टाइम 3.1 राइट T फॉर ट्रू and F for false. Rise in price is denoted by positive sign, that's true. Next, represent each of the following statement with the appropriate sign. Loss of rupees 790. Loss को हम negative से show करेंगे 790. Write the opposite of the following. Gain of rupees 150. Opposite हो जाएगा loss of rupees 150. Using number line, write the integer which is 3 more than 6. सो नंबर लाइन पे अगर हम देखेंगे 6 से 3 स्टेप फॉरवर्ड जाएंगे सो दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 9 लाइक दिस इज नंबर लाइन 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 so this is 6 1 2 3 that is equals to 9 clear। Next, using the number line, fill in the blanks. Greater than or less than minus 5 will be less than minus 8. Minus 5 will be less than 8. Which one of the following is greater in the following pair of integer? Minus 15 or minus 26? Minus 15 will be greater than minus 26. Using the number line, write the following number in ascending order. So, ascending order means increasing order. You have to start from the smallest. So, सबसे पहले आ जाएगा minus 10, then minus 5, then minus 2, then 5 and then 6. Clear? Using the number line, write the following number in descending order. Start from the greatest. So 18 सबसे बड़ा हो जाएगा 18, उसके बाद 8, then 3, then minus 5, minus 6 and minus 7. Next, evaluate the following. Absolute value of 26 is 26 minus absolute value of minus 15 is 15 and absolute value of 32 is 32. So 26 plus 32, 58 minus 15, 43. Clear? So practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is addition and subtraction of integer. First, we'll take addition of integer. Addition of two or more positive integer. When we add two or more positive integer on the number line, then we move in the same direction. Let us take 5 and 7 on the number line. So, हम क्या करेंगे 0 से पहले जाएंगे 5 पे. Now we have to add 7 to it. So 7 jump forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that is equals to 12. Clear? Next, addition of two or more negative integer. अगर negative integer को add करना है, suppose we have to add minus 2, minus 5 and minus 4. Clear? So minus 2. Here is minus 2. So 0 से हम जाएंगे minus 2 पे. Now we have to add minus 5. So in same direction 5 step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have to add minus 4. Same direction में 4 step forward. So that is minus 11. Clear? Next, addition of positive and negative integer. Suppose we have to add 12 and minus 7. So 0 से हम जाएंगे 12 पे. Here 12. And now we have to add minus 7. That means backward move करना है 7 step. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that is equals to 5. Clear? Next, addition of integer without number line. Without number line कैसे add करेंगे? When we add two or more positive integer without number line, simply add their values and assign the positive sign. Suppose we have to add 29, 182 and 209. All are positive, so simply उनकी value को add कर लेंगे, positive sign assign कर देंगे. So that is equals to 420. When we add two or more negative integer without the number line, we simply add them and give them negative sign. Suppose minus 37, minus 58 and minus 108 को add करना है. So simply हम तीनों की value को add कर लेंगे, that is 203 and give them negative sign. Clear? नेक्स्ट, when we add positive integer and negative integer, then we find the numerical difference, उनका जो difference है find out करेंगे and assign the sign of the greater integer, जिसकी भी वैल्यू ज़्यादा होगी, अगर पॉजिटिव की वैल्यू ज़्यादा है तो पॉजिटिव साइन असाइन करेंगे, नेगेटिव है तो नेगेटिव. सपोज वी हैव टू ऐड 726 एंड माइनस 356. पहले हम इनका जो एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू है वो फाइंड आउट करेंगे एंड उनका डिफरेंस फाइंड आउट करेंगे. 370 डिफरेंस आ गया हमारा. नाउ अब हम देखेंगे कि 726 इज ग्रेटर वैल्यू और उसके आगे साइन क्या है, पॉजिटिव साइन है. दैट मीन्स हम इसको पॉजिटिव साइन असाइन कर देंगे. क्लियर. नेक्स्ट, सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ इंटीजर. सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ इंटीजर प्रोसेस, इनवर्स प्रोसेस ऑफ एडिशन. एडिशन की इनवर्स प्रोसेस है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सब्ट्रैक्ट 7 from 15 is same as to find the number which when added to 7 gives 15. So the answer will be 8. 15 minus 7, that is 8. Same method we can subtract the integers. Suppose we have to subtract minus 8 from 6. हाँ, अगर हमें subtract करना है minus 8 6 में से, this we require an integer which when added to minus 8 gives 6. So हमें ऐसा integer चाहिए जो हमें minus 8 में add करें तो हमें 6 मिले. So it can be represented on the number line in such a way that how many steps is required to reach 6 from minus 8. So minus 8 से हमें 6 तक पहुँचने में कितने steps लगेंगे. Clear? So हम वो count करेंगे. So we start from minus 8 and reach to 6. Clear? minus 8 से start करेंगे and 6 पे पहुँचेंगे तो total हमें 14 steps लगेंगे. So that is equals to 40. To subtract an integer from the another integer, it is sufficient to add the additive inverse of the integer that is being subtracted from the other integer. Example लेते हैं. Subtract the following: minus 15 from 10. So 10 minus minus 15. Additive inverse of minus 15 क्या हो जाएगा? Plus 15. So 10 plus 15, that is equals to 25. Next, evolution time 3.2. Fill in the blanks with greater than, less than or equal to. Minus 7 plus minus 8. That is equals to minus 15. Minus 15 minus minus तो add हो जाएगा, प्लस का साइन आ जाएगा, प्लस 3 हो जाएगा. माइनस 15 में से 3 हम सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. So that is equals to minus 12. Now minus 12 is greater than minus 15. Clear? Next, write true or false. The sum of an integer and its negative is 0. Yes, that's true. Add the following integer on the number line: 5 plus minus 3. So this is the number line: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So we have to add. So 0 से हम जाएंगे 5 पे. Now we have to subtract 3, तो 3 step backward, 1, 2, 3. So that is equals to 2. Next, add the following without using number line: minus 128 and 634. So एक पॉजिटिव है और एक नेगेटिव, तो वैल्यू सब्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएगी. $506 एंड जो पॉजिटिव इंटीजर है उसकी वैल्यू ज़्यादा है, दैट मीन्स पॉजिटिव साइन आ जाएगा. नेक्स्ट, सिंप्लीफाई द फॉलोइंग: 816 माइनस 913 प्लस माइनस 614 प्लस 218. सो व्हाट विल डू, हम नेगेटिव वालों को 913 एंड 614 को ऐड करेंगे एंड 816 एंड 218 को ऐड करेंगे एंड देन फाइंड द डिफरेंस. जिसकी भी वैल्यू ज़्यादा होगी, अगर पॉजिटिव वाले की ज़्यादा तो पॉजिटिव साइन, नेगेटिव वाले की ज़्यादा तो नेगेटिव साइन असाइन करेंगे. नेक्स्ट, राइट द एडिटिव इनवर्स ऑफ द फॉलोइंग: माइनस 761. सो एडिटिव इनवर्स हो जाएगा 761, पॉजिटिव 761. फाइंड द इंटीजर y सच दैट y प्लस 4 इक्वल्स टू 0. सो y इक्वल्स टू हो जाएगा माइनस 4. Subtract the following. So we have to subtract 376 from minus 813. So simply हम इनका डिफरेंस फाइंड आउट करेंगे. 376 7 7, 3, 4, 437. नाउ नेगेटिव इंटीजर की वैल्यू ज़्यादा है तो ये आ जाएगा नेगेटिव 437. क्लियर? सो प्रैक्टिस ऑल द क्वेश्चंस ऑफ दिस एक्सरसाइज. नेक्स्ट इज लुक बैक. The numbers like -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All these are called integer. 0 ना तो positive integer है ना ही negative integer. It's called neutral number. 0 is greater than every negative integer but less than every positive integer. Every positive integer is greater than every negative integer. If a and b are two integers such that a is greater than b, then minus a will be less than minus b. The absolute value of an integer is numerical value regardless of sign. When we add two integers of the same sign, या तो both positive या both negative, then we add their absolute value and assign the sign of given integer. When we add two integers of the opposite sign, then we subtract their absolute value and assign the sign of the integer having the greater absolute value. When we subtract an integer x from the integer y, we change the sign of x and add. X and minus x are additive inverse of each other. Next is, let's recall. So all these questions are based on the question we have done in the chapter exercise. So you have to practice all the questions so that you will understand कि आपको चैप्टर कितना अच्छे से समझ में आया है. Next is mentazone. Dash is the greatest integer. There is no greatest integer. Next is multiple choice questions. Take the correct option. The opposite of the loss of rupees 35 is minus rupees 35. So option A is the correct answer here. Here we end the chapter. I hope chapter आपको अच्छे समझ में आ गया है. Now to practice it.